there, my name is Mrs. Dietz and I'm going to be your teacher this year. I just wanted to make you a quick video to introduce myself to you. I am so excited to jump into this school year with you and get started. I teach English. I'm a part of our English 6 through 12 team. I graduated from Boise State University. Go Broncos. When I'm not teaching, I love spending time with my family, and I've included some pictures of them over here. I'm right over here in this picture. This is my husband and my oldest son, my daughter, and then my youngest son. We spend a lot of time together as a family. We love having movie nights and having game nights, and we also really enjoy getting outside together. We love to kayak and we love to camp, and you can kind of see a couple of pictures of those things down here. In addition to that, I love going to the Oregon coast, and I've included a picture of my family on the Oregon coast over here in this top corner. I don't know what it is about the Oregon coast, but I love being close to the ocean, even if it's just walking the beach. It's one of my favorite things in the entire world. In addition to all of that, I love to read. It's probably my biggest hobby. I think that's probably why I became an English teacher, is I love literature so much. So if you ever have a really good book suggestion, never hesitate to shoot me over a really quick email and tell me about it. I'm always looking for new books to read. I've included a couple of my favorite books here on the board. I like some classic books like The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. I like science fiction like The Hunger Games. I like young adult fiction. There's a couple of my favorite YA books here on the board as well. I just love to read. So like I said, if you ever have a book suggestion or you've read something really good, feel free to shoot me a really quick email and tell me about it, because I would love that. One other thing you should probably know about me is I like to think I'm pretty funny. You can kind of count on seeing some dorky memes in our live classes, as well as some English teacher humor throughout the year. So lots of fun grammar jokes are headed your way. Be prepared. Okay, I am so excited to have you in my class this year. I'm excited to jump into the year and get started. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or if you feel stuck. I think communication is going to be the key. So if you have a question, feel free to email me right away or call me right away. That way we can answer that for you and you can feel confident in what you're doing in the classroom. So don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, I'm super excited to get to know you guys. Let's make this an awesome school year.